Hello everyone, welcome back again to PPT Template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe PPT Template channel. In this video, I will show how to insert online pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's start. Click Insert and click the online picture. Select a category or type in the search bar. After selecting, click Insert. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from PPT Template channel. Thanks for watching.